the Adlerian approach and choice theory applied to practice. Future counselor needs to understand the many techniques they can use to help the client. Procedures can vary considerably and rely on different models. Psychoanalysis, for example, is different from methods utilizing the client's dynamic. For me, the Adlerian approach and choice theory seem to be the essential dialogue with the client. In my opinion, the other theories do not embrace the individual's freedom as broadly and, in a sense, aim at reflection. At the same time, both approaches correspond to my ideas of the help offered to clients to find harmony between their inner senses and the world around them. The first theory was developed by Alfred Adler, who developed an innovative approach to therapy. He used the principles of re-education of the individual and assessed the internal determinants of behavior. A key aspect of treatment is the definition of consciousness as a factor in influencing the individual and evaluating his abilities to understand the world. In addition, Adler drew attention to the need for the individual to understand his sense of belonging to society. Through the approach, the counselor can achieve the therapeutic goals. The individual can redefine ideas about himself. Secondly, encouraging the individual can realize reasonable goals and definitions of the individual's identity in society. Thus, the approach is based on the unity of the individual, which will help form the basis of a prosperous lifestyle. The choice theory gained prominence through the work of William Glasser in the 1960s. The idea was developed as a theory of reality, where a person's choices determine their destiny and thus impose responsibility for their behavior. An individual's understanding of their goals will allow them to regulate conduct in society. At the heart of the idea of choice, the theory is the principle that choice is the best attempt to reconcile the harmony of the external world with an individual's inner perception. In addition, Glasser points to the acceptance of personal responsibility and the understanding that the gravity of circumstances, in any case, leaves room for change. The therapeutic goal of this counseling tactic is to help find ways to meet the client's needs. It is also worthwhile to pay attention to the client's self-assessment and agree on a principle of change that can lead to achieving goals. Thus, the choice theory is a theory of reality that allows individuals to make different choices and control their actions.